oldest civilization on Earth is not human. Yes. Really, before humans built cities, before dinosaurs ruled the planet, a civilization was already thriving, with advanced architecture, strict social structure, intricate communication, and precise engineering. But it wasn't human, it was made of bees. The first bees appeared around 100 million years ago. They evolved alongside flowers, like two dancing species, in perfect harmony. While giant reptiles fought over territory, bees practiced something extraordinary in nature: cooperation on a massive scale. It was the beginning of an incredibly efficient society, a civilization that doesn't use concrete or electricity. More than just buildings, they create living structures that protect and adapt like no other. Imagine a world with no words, no writing. How would you describe a location using only your body? Bees have the answer. They dance, they move their bodies at precise angles, with movements that communicate distance, direction, and food quality. It's like an organic GPS. No words, no technology, just dance. Beehives are true masterpieces of art and pure mathematics. The hexagon is the ideal shape. It fills space without gaps, uses less material, and provides greater strength. Human engineers still study this pattern today, but bees have been using it for millions of years. No formulas, no tools, just instinct. No visible leaders, no bosses, and yet everything works perfectly. Each bee is born with a role that transforms over time. Cleaner, builder, scout, and finally, perhaps a warrior. The evolution of bees is a living story, a journey of millions of years that teaches us about adaptation and survival. 100 million years ago, when the first bees appeared, the world was very different. The continents were in other positions. The climate was warmer and more humid, and flowers were just beginning to diversify. Bees and flowers evolved together in a symbiotic dance that shaped both species. Flowers developed bright colors and magical scents. Bees perfected their vision and sense of smell. It was a partnership that transformed the planet. Bees became efficient pollinators, helping plants to reproduce and spread. This led to an explosion in plant diversity, which in turn fueled the evolution of countless other species. But the journey of bees was not easy. They faced drastic climate shifts, survived mass extinctions, and adapted to new predators and diseases. Over time, bees developed unique traits, like the stinger, a powerful defense, and the ability to produce honey, a rich, energy-dense food that can last for years. But perhaps the most impressive adaptation was social. Bees learned to live in colonies, with a strict division of labor and complex communication. This social organization allowed them to thrive. Even in challenging environments, the evolution of bees brings us powerful lessons about cooperation, about adaptability, and about resilience in a world that is constantly changing. And they also warn us. In recent years, many bee species have been declining due to habitat loss, the use of harmful pesticides, and climate change. This isn't just a bee problem. It's a threat to the entire ecosystem that depends on them, including us humans. Bees pollinate many of the crops we eat. Without them, our own survival would be at risk. So, what can we do? We can plant native flowers in our gardens, avoid toxic chemicals, and support sustainable farming. Every small action matters, just like every bee contributes to the success of the hive. The story of bees is one of endurance, of adapting to overwhelming challenges. And it's a story still being written. We are part of it. By protecting bees, we're not just preserving a fascinating species, we're safeguarding the future of our own ecosystem and learning valuable lessons about teamwork and sustainability. So next time you see a bee, remember, you're witnessing millions of years of evolution, a creature that survived dinosaurs and ice ages, a tiny being with a massive impact on our world. Bees are more than just insects. They're guardians of an ancient legacy and vital partners in our future. Let's appreciate them. Let's protect them so we can keep learning from them and be inspired by their eternal dance with the flowers. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content about the natural world. And tell us in the comments what surprised you the most about the evolution of bees. Thanks for watching. Bye.